Welcome back. Round 3. All right, where we left you last time around, we got the bottom glass. As promised, we are getting to the top of this board, and it's kind of special. How special? Well, I can't say that it's never been done before, but I never have.
This is something that I have wanted on a board. You don't see it on a lot of boards out there, so she's gonna be super unique.
A fabric inlay. Let's learn together, because I have never done this. Now, truth be told, fabric is no different than fiberglass. But let's see how it acts. First things first, let's get some of this excess cut off. I've got the tape around the lap. So much like the bottom, I need to just make sure I'm overlapping onto that tape, so then when the resin is nearly set, I'll lift that tape up, I'll razor the edge off, and we'll have a clean lap on this. So typically on a deck of a board like this, I would use a combination of layers of 4-ounce and 6-ounce glass. Since we're putting this essentially fabric sheet down, I am foregoing the 4-ounce glass. I will put this on, and then we will top the deck off with 6-ounce. So this is all ready to go. I just used this crease in the fabric to line up on my stringer, not that the pattern really matters. I don't know how much resin I'm gonna need for this, so guessing game at this point. Let's shoot for, what's a good round number there, babe?
I like 30.
30's way too much.
That's what I like.
Let's shoot for, she's way off.
So one of us got messing up.
We're gonna shoot for like 22 ounces.
How's it way off?
Well, y'all know the routine now. Mix, 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 and mix. I tell you what, first few times I did this, I didn't get it thoroughly mixed, and I had issues. Give yourself a good 5 minutes on a stir. Tell you right now is it's working okay. It's just taking a bit of extra time versus, soaking through this cloth than you would if you were using fiberglass. So that's fine. So all in all, it acts similar. It does take an extra bit of time for the resin to soak through this cloth. This is a cotton type of cloth. I have heard that you do have to beware of certain blends of fabrics, but pretty much most of your natural fabrics are relatively safe. As this resin begins to get sticky, it's really sticking this down. All right, the resin has all cured, not completely. Going around this lap real carefully with the razor. So let me get this all trimmed up and we'll start peeling off the excess. surfboard's done. I'm gonna flip this around and get the other side. All right, that's all off now. Now we got to go around this, push this all down, make sure that edge is nice and stuck as it does its final cure. I'll use a popsicle stick or something like that. We're getting there. Fabric inlay is on. Leash plug is in and drying. Things are coming along. So until next time, when we finish this board up, what do you think?
I think she's perfect.